SAT 11, and we're gonna do 13, 14, and 15. All of this problem, which part is bigger? I'm sorry, I didn't explain fully. Hi everybody, welcome to Computer Science Academy. Okay, number 11 is parallelogram. parallelogram은 한말로 사다리꼴이에요. 사다리꼴인데 every side is the same. That means I'm gonna refresh your memory. The angle and length, facing angle and the facing length have the same relation. So angle is bigger, facing length is bigger. In other words, facing length is smaller, length will be shrink. Okay? Same as this. That's gonna be the same idea. So they say this length is the same, right? So this angle facing length is this. Also this angle facing length is this. So length is the same, therefore angle is the same. That's why A equals B. This is very similar to law of sine in trigonometry. That is the simple test of law of sine. Number 13. P is 3 over 5s, Q is 4 over 3s, R is 3 over 8q. 5p and 6, which one is bigger? So you got a simple idea of this. The p is right there, 3 over 5s. We plug in and we cancel out. This is a 3s. And the 6r, r is right there, 3 over 8q. So you're gonna write, instead of r, replaced by 3 over 8q. And the 6 right there, number right there, they say q is 4 over 3s. So we're gonna plug in instead of this, cancel out. This one is 3s equal to 3s. So each side is the same, equal value. That means, why do this? Simple idea, but we're gonna do in a calculus substitution. We're gonna change another unknown number to another one. That's gonna be give you some concept, give you more widening your mathematic idea. Okay, number 14. Number 14 is we're gonna, even though SAT doesn't require you have to know the trigonometry, but actually you have to. I recommend the trigonometry, because once you go to college, everybody uses trigonometry. But in case you made history in English, you don't need it. But think about this one. You have to do science, so have to know the trigonometry, because some angle they will x, y will be changed. Anyway, what is the area between them? Which one is bigger? Okay. So this is 45 degrees, also this is 45 degrees. So we're gonna use a cosine like this. So cosine 45 is first part under, automatically this above, upstairs. Then we're looking for x. X is 2 times cosine 45. So 2 times 1 over root 2 is 2 root 2 over 2 over root 2. So area of this one is, area that is, oh I'm sorry, I got one right there. So half over, half times, I miss it over there. Okay, area of a triangle, 1.5 times this times this. So 4 over 2, actually that is 1. Okay. How about this one right there? that one is, this is 30 degrees, that is 60. So we're gonna use, you have to find the x and y separately. So to find the x, we're gonna use cosine. Cosine 30 is 2x over 2. First part under, automatically this is going upstairs. So x is 2 times cosine 30. So 2 right there, cosine 30 value is root 3 over 2. So this is going to be root 3. To find the y, we're going to use a sign like this. So sine 30 is y first part under, this automatically upstairs. Y is 2 times sine 30. 2 times 1 over half is 1. Okay? So area is half times this one, so 2 over root 3. So I think this is bigger than this. Okay. Next one is this. You are not sure about this kind of things. You can revisit trigonometry, Peter Science Academy on YouTube. You can find very easy how to solve, how to understand the trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Okay, number 15. Okay, given information is a plus 2b is 60, c minus b is 5d. Then average of a, b, c, d is greater than 3d or not, or smaller than another meaning. So given information this, so this kind of problem is you have to practice. Even as myself, I just look at this one, oh, it will take a time. But once I think over, then I know it. Same as in your exam, you don't have to think it over and over, time limit. So you have to know it, what is it this kind of trick is. So given information, we're going to add it together. So once you add it together, a plus b plus c, right? And 15d, 11d, okay? So we're looking for, so we're gonna add, because we're looking for average of this part missing the d over there. So we intentionally adding the d over there, right, okay? So a plus b plus c plus d is 11d plus d is 12d. We're looking for average, right? So divide by 4, each side divide by 4, so 3D. So average of this one is 3D. That's why there you call. This kind of tricky things you have to learn. Okay. Now we're gonna do vocabulary. Okay. I have to do this again because the next page have some connection. during은 여러분이 솔직히 몸하는 동안에 우리 전치사를 많이 배웠죠. during 몸하는 그거는 이렇게 우리가 이게 endure, dure에서 난 말이에요. 이거는 dure는 hard, 그래서 hard 튼튼하다 그런 뜻이에요. 그래서 endure 그러면 hard 이렇게 튼튼하게 잘 견디다. 그래서 참다 그런 뜻이 endure. 여기서 나온 말이 durable, hard하다. 그러니까 durable good 그러면은 아주 오래 쓸 수 있는 거 durable이라고 그래요. 근데 obdurate 이거는 extra durate 이제 아직 튼튼하다 그런 뜻이에요. pugilist 이 pugil의 뜻은 박서예요. 박서. 근데 이게 이 싸우기를 좋아한다 그런 뜻으로 요새는 많이 써서 여기서는 뭐냐 pugnacious 싸우기를 좋아한다 그런 뜻이고요. belligerent 이 belligerent도 마찬가지 bell은 이게 combat 이 싸움하기를 좋아한다 그런 뜻이에요. 근데 다음 페이지에 보면 조금 약간 이건 좀 외워야 돼서 embellish bell의 뜻은 beauty 이게 과장한다 이쁠 그래서 embellish 그러면 어느 고깃꾼이 낚시꾼이 고기를 요만한 걸 잡는데 크게 과장하는 걸 embellish라고 합니다. 오케이, 땡큐.